YouTube, welcome back to the Inspirational Shan Makeup channel. It is your girl Shan and I am back with another bomb makeup transformation. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this bomb look, please stay tuned. In this makeup tutorial, I will be focusing on a double cut crease dramatic halo look. But before we get into this video, I would like to take the time out to say an hearty thank you to all my supporters. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Continue to show me love by liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload another bomb makeup tutorial. Guys, remember, as suggested in my previous videos, in the near future I will be branching off to other things such as pranks, vlogs, challenges, hair tutorial, and the list goes on. So guys, I know you don't want to miss any of those because we have epic experiences, epic challenges ahead, so on and so forth. So to be updated, you have to first and foremost subscribe and hit the post notification bell. So if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and do the things. Anyways, without any further ado, I would love to get into this makeup tutorial. So until my next upload, guys, please remember to focus and to go for that which you want. I hope you learned something from this video and practice. Bye. Love you guys. So guys, in summary, for my eyebrow I used a black Opal eye and lip liner pencil in the color 001. For the top of my brows I use a Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer camouflage, and for the bottom of my brows I use a LA Girls Pro.concealer in the shade GC986 Chestnut, as well as this slice brush. So now I'm going to move on to my eyelids, and I'm going to use this concealer again to prime my lids so that the eyeshadow that I will be using will have a popping look. And also this brush from my brush set, Angle Shading Brush 4. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and add this concealer to my eyelids to prime it also out by this area because I'm doing a dramatic cut crease in this makeup tutorial. So guys, I add some more concealer to my lids and I'm going to blend it out. Then I'm going to add my setting powder, the lighter shade, so that the concealer that is applied to my lid is not sticky. However, by doing this, it will allow the eyeshadow to give a more popping look. So I'm just setting here. From my Joy to the Eyes Cosmetics palette, I will be using a yellow shade. This yellow shade. Yes, I'm going to use this yellow shade above my cut crease area to act as the transition color. So that's what I'm currently doing. So guys, for my other eyeshadow, I'm going to use this orange shade, and I'm going to repeat the same exact step that was done before on my lid. So I'm going to blend this out. And you blend using circular motions. So the third color that I'm going to use is this burnt orange, and I'm going to add it in the cut crease area of my lid and blend. And by doing this, we are building up the intensity of the eyeshadow. Next step is to cut the crease. I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer as well as this slice brush to cut. So guys, the next step is to use your cotton bud along with your makeup remover to clean underneath the cut crease to remove that excess eyeshadow. But in this case, I'm going to use my alcohol and a piece of tissue because I don't have any cotton bud at the moment or any makeup remover. So let's start. And be careful when you're using the alcohol, trust me, it burns, it burns, it burns. But to save yourself from that trouble, it is advisable for you to just stick with the makeup remover when doing this look and you're removing your eyeshadow. in some more alcohol. So that's it, guys. From my palette, the same palette, I will be using this brown eyeshadow to add it to cut crease so that we can have more depth and density in this look. So guys, I'm going to use this slice brush and I'm going to use this darker brown and apply it just above the edge or just on the edge of the cut crease so it can give a more defined look. And remember guys, when doing this makeup tutorial, the look will be worse before it gets better, so keep that in mind. Trust me, you will have a satisfying result in the end if you follow through with the procedure. For the next step, you're going to add some concealer on your eyelid, and you're going to also use some of this concealer to clean up the edge of your cut crease. clean up the edge of this wing. Alright, the next step I'm going to do is to use my concealer to clean up the outer edge of my wing. So for the last step, I'm going to go over my cut crease lining with some more concealer. Concealer, I'm going to use my setting powder. So guys, we have come to the end of another makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy, and most importantly, I hope that you guys learned something from this video. Until next time, bye.